Want a simple way to catch issues early and resolve unhappy customer experiences? Let's turn on service recovery in Quick Hub. From your Quick Hub dashboard, go to Quick Reviews and open Service Recovery to view the settings. Review the options, then toggle Enable Service Recovery to turn it on. Confirm the setting is applied on the Service Recovery page. Now, let's decide when Service Recovery should step in, so you can catch unhappy experiences automatically. First, set your star rating threshold. This is the point at which Service Recovery will trigger. For example, you might choose 3 stars or below. Toggle Set Star Rating Threshold to enable it. Next, set your face rating threshold. Pick the level that signals a negative experience, like sad or neutral and below. Then, enable Set Face Rating Threshold. Once both thresholds are applied, confirm they're showing as enabled with your chosen settings. And that's it. Service Recovery is now active in Quick Hub, giving you an early warning system that captures negative feedback the moment it happens, so you can respond quickly, resolve the issue, and protect your reputation.